Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. Today's video is a collaboration, an all things YouTube collaboration, and it's hosted by Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole. If this is something that you would be interested in throughout the months to come, make sure that you contact her. It's all about your niche. So you pick a niche, obviously I'm going to pick something pertaining to home since I'm Kim at Home. And today I chose a DIY. So excited. Been wanting to do this for a long time. I've had all of the materials for a while, with an exception of some of the things that I have bought recently. I want to do a really quick haul. These are some of the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree for my project. Acrylic paint, black and white. Imagine that, Kim getting black and white paint. I have some caulk paint brushes. I don't need this for my project, but you never know. These are sponges. I will cut these in half and then put them away so that I can, get more bang for my buck. I also got some books. Here's one book, here is another book. This book, I'm really excited about that one. I also got little paint container holder things. I gotta keep these on deck because I like to paint. So that is everything from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you the items that I bought from Michael's. More acrylic paint, and this is from Michael's too. This one is from Dollar Tree. I wanted to try some different ones. And I also got these really cool paint brushes from Michael's. There's your quick haul.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to get down and dirty. Well, I really don't want the table to get dirty, so what I'm doing is just covering it up, and this is like a painter's plastic, and it works so well. I use it all the time.
These are in my bathroom, so the first thing I'm gonna do is wipe them off.
So the next step is important because anything that you want to paint, you definitely want to clean it off first. Since I'll be doing the abstract painting, I'm going to create the texture first. That is why I got the caulk, because it's really good for texture.
For this, I do not need full coverage because I'm going to be doing some crazy stuff to it. The other two I'm going to cover with black wallpaper.
A great way to remove creases from wallpaper is to fold it the other way, not the way that it actually came in, but the opposite direction.
Here is what this is looking like. What I did notice about the wallpaper is it doesn't stick very well. Sometimes when you clean stuff off and then you paint or you put wallpaper on, it doesn't stick as good. So I'm just gonna glue around the edges and we'll see how that works because I really want the wallpaper to stick. I'm trying to, go with a flow and it's just not working. I'm not understanding. I totally forgot to charge that. I'm gonna use one with a cord. Okay, so here are my two wallpaper ones. They may have a little bit of crinkles in them, but it does not matter. This is what I will be using for the first part of the project.
There are so many different tools that you can use to create texture. However, I need mine to be a little bit subtle, so I'm using paper. There are so many different things that you can use in order to build texture. Some people use dirt, sand, model paste. The great thing about using any of those items in order to build your texture is you can actually add your paint to that, and it just makes it a lot more smoother and all that great stuff. So you'll have to try that if you have the opportunity. We're going to collect some rocks because I want to do some rock artwork. So I don't know why she has this big bucket. My husband gave her this big bucket and we don't need that many rocks. And of course, before bringing in the rocks, we have to clean them off.
Here are some of the rocks that I'm going to use to create this art. I'm going to complete this tomorrow. I want it to dry or cure a little bit longer. I want to actually, do it 24 hours from now. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
For me, it's so much easier to clean up my messes right away, so I didn't want this to sit around very long. What I'm doing is just transferring the artwork over onto a plastic sheet on the floor and just getting the stuff together. This is the next day. Here is what the dried caulk is looking like, but now it is time to paint. I'm so excited. really like the texture on this. However, it did not turn out quite how I wanted it to turn out. So this is something that I'm going to have to keep on working on. One thing that I would like to suggest as far as like self-care is painting. Even if you feel like you don't know how to paint, just try. It is so much fun, it's so relaxing, and you can really use your imagination to the best of your ability. It really just puts you into a zone where you don't have to think about anything else that's going on in life, and you're just focusing on what you're doing, putting all of your energy into it. It's really a beautiful thing. Let me know in the comments below some of the things that you like to do for self-care. Self-care reduces so much anxiety, depression, and stress, and it also puts you in a good space of concentrating, reducing frustration and anger, but it also puts you in a place of happiness, giving you self-confidence, and just your overall energy level will be great. Being kind to yourself is so important, so please give yourself some grace and show yourself some love as well.
Gotta show you guys the reveal. So here is my graffiti art. I love the texture in this. I'm gonna get really close so you can tell the type of texture that it has. It's really cool. I wanted to do something colorful, but yeah, the colors are just really pretty and vibrant. Okay, so this one by far is my favorite, and let me tell you why. Because it's nighttime, right? Here's the night sky, here's the fire, here's some water over here, trees, and then like, you know how the sky just kind of illuminates really, really pretty colors? If you guys study the sky, you already know what I'm talking about. And from the fire, there's like little smoke pebble things. What do you call those things? Ashes? Yeah, I think that's what they're called. So that is what that is. But yeah, you can see the trees. Some are small, some are thick. Camping spot. It's radiating right here. Yep, great texture. I did have a third painting, but it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. One thing that I can suggest is don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Art is in the eye of the beholder. You can create it however you want to create it. You can make it beautiful, you can make it crazy. It really just depends on the mood that you're in, right? Sometimes I've seen art and I'm like, wow, I really want to pick their brain just to see exactly what was on their mind, what they were going through. I am going to get good to the point where I'm about to like start hanging it on my walls, making it look, you know, all fresh and clean. I have no doubt that any of you could do the same as well. Don't forget, if you are interested in Name Your Niche, All Things YouTube, be sure to contact Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole. I will leave her information as well as all of the other ladies who are involved down below in my description box. Please be sure to show them some love as well. Let them know that Kim with a Y sent you over. Please subscribe, please hit the like button. We really appreciate that. It lets YouTube know that our videos are something that people want to watch. We're small YouTubers out here just trying to make it, you know what I mean? That's why we're doing all these collaborations and involving so many different people from different niches. We want to grow. Please help us grow. Did that kind of sound like a sales pitch? If this is your first time that you've ever seen me on your TV or telephone or computer, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. I appreciate you being here so much. Please don't forget to love yourself, say your affirmations, and practice self-care. All of you are so amazing. You are beautiful and you are worthy. Know that your voice is being heard and that your voice is important. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.